Hello everybody, I haven't posted for a while because I meant for months because I'm so busy. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna post. I'm not gonna post for like a few months right now because I'm just gonna um tomorrow is like I have school tomorrow, so I have I have to. I'm not crying. I have like. Anyways, I don't like. I'm sorry for my voice, but I'm not crying by the way. It's just I have like nahawa ako. Like may sipon ako. Promise. Um, um, ano, hindi ako mag-rage quit. I'm not gonna rage quit. It's just, hindi ako magpo-post for months because hindi ako nakaka-post ng for months because I'm pure Filipino. Kung nagtatanong kayo, kasi ano kasi kayo. Anyways, hindi pa ako nakapag-post sa TikTok, and I hope to see you in months. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po. And I want to inform you guys na nag-post na ako ng isang vid like mini vlog siya. So, thank you very much guys. Bye-bye. Like, hindi pa siya nag-end. So, as in, I'm so sorry guys, hindi ako nakakapag-post for a while. So, hindi pa siya end. Kasi, I wanted to say na, may tatlo pa akong may mga tatlo pa akong account. So, make sure to subscribe with that. And, follow niyo po ako sa TikTok. Pangalan niya ay just pretty Aya. Like, cute. Wait lang. Cutie bubble. Pretty. Bye-bye.